people, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who subscribed to my channel, gave like to my first video, and who commented as well. I just want to say thank you very much. So today we're going to be doing a challenge. We're going to be doing a volcano chicken noodle challenge. So apparently it's really hot. I don't know if it is or it's not. You also may have noticed today that I don't have my plaits anymore. I have my natural hair. I feel like I have nothing. Literally feels like I don't have any hair on. But anyway, so I bought this from Amazon, and it was a package of 4, and they were like 5 to 6 pounds. So yeah, I will leave the link down below. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how I make this noodle. I also want to let you know that this is the second time I filmed this video, because when I was filming, I was like boom boom boom. I was filming and I ran out of space on my phone, so it stopped recording. So the next part, it's gonna be the one I recorded in the first video. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Come watch me cook. See you. And we are back. So we have the crazy hot noodle, volcano noodles. We also have some fried onions and some chili powder and chili flakes if you want some more. And I have my butter sauce, and I have a brown crab in here. And I also have some water, which I'm gonna be drinking because it's super hot. And my cucumber, of course. I'm gonna be trying to do this channel without drinking any water. So let's get started. I'm gonna try it first without anything, just as they come. Sorry, I'm not the best one with chopsticks. Let's see what's the first. nice flavors. To be honest, it's not really spicy, but the flavor is like, it's kind of sweet, and yeah, it's kind of sweet. Put some onions, some more chili, just a little bit because I don't want to kill myself. It's actually really hot today here in London. For the past 3 days, it's been like 36 degrees. I think today is like 31 degrees, or 33, one of those. And it's been quite hot. I went to the beach yesterday. And it was good. Did I say I'm having this brown crab as well? Yeah, I'm having this brown crab as well. But look at these noodles. Look at the color. It's like my tongue is tingling a little bit, but it's not like I can't handle it. Have any of you tried those noodles? If you do, or if you did, leave me a comment. Tell me, how do you find them? Were they nice? Were they too spicy for you? Too hot to handle? Let's try the crab. Oi. It's a brown crab. Look at this. Let's dip it. Wow. It's got like a meaty flavor, like a meat flavor. I don't know how to explain it. and it's got a little bit more of a fiber look than the blue crab. Oh, I know. Oh. Yes. I love seafood so much. Seafood is the best. But these noodles, they're not that spicy though. I thought I was gonna be crying, like, you know, be like crying out loud for water. But no, I'm actually doing okay. They're not that spicy though. They're not really spicy. They're okay. They're good. I wonder if they have like, if I can find like really like burning, maybe like a ghost pepper noodle, maybe, or Scotch bonnet noodles, maybe. I never tried ghost pepper before. I prefer the blue crab, definitely. Oh, I like to try the king crab with spider crab. Maybe soon, who knows, maybe. Thank you to for everyone. No, thank you to everyone for watching my video. Please keep watching. Try to watch to the end. It will really help me. Wait. Got quite a lot of meat actually. And this is actually a male. So last time I told you that the females, it was rounded. So now this one is a male and it's like a stick or something. And my noodles is licking. What we do is